Cool. It's Monday, and you had a week off last week.
I have. I've got a 9-week-old daughter, Eris, so I've taken a couple of weeks paternity leave. So I've had a lot of fun looking after her and spending time with the family.
But you did go down to London for a meeting.
Yeah, I've done one or two things. I went down to London to meet Luke Hall, who's the local government minister, with Shailesh Vara, who's the other Conservative MP for part of Peterborough, and some of our local councillors to really push for fairer funding for our city for local government.
And you also done some work on the NHS.
Yeah, so I'm on the Health and Social Care Select Committee. So this week I put down a couple of questions, one on parliamentary questions, one on dementia, because that's one thing I think we really need to kind of prioritise in Peterborough and across the country. And I've written an article on social care. I passionately believe that our social care workers, I've got many in my constituency, need parity of esteem with NHS workers. We often talk about our hard-working doctors and nurses, but we rarely talk about those who look after our vulnerable in our social care system. So I wrote an important article about that this week.
And I saw you went to a charity event last night. What was that about?
I did. I went to the launch of the charity Empower and Involve. I met two remarkable young people who set up that charity, and they're going to work really to make a difference here in Peterborough by raising money and getting health improvements here in Peterborough, but also back in Assad, Kashmir, where they originate from. They're going to work to improve services at Bangrilla Hospital. It was a great event last night, and I was honoured to speak at its launch.
And we hear it's half-term recess this week.
It is. So I won't be in Westminster this week. I've still got a few more days of paternity leave looking after my family. But what I'm really looking forward to this week is Thursday. On Thursday night, I'm going to be on Salam Radio. It's going to be Ashko MP time. I'm going to be opening myself up to anyone who wants to call in and talk to their MP. And that's from 8 till 9 this week on Thursday.
All right, we'll catch up with you again at the end of the week.